If you want to learn Google Ads from zero and see a real journey, this channel is for you. Assalamu alaikum smart peoples. How are you all? Hope you guys are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to my channel. I'm hadiurlabs, but you can call me just Adib. So, why this channel exists? I'm a tech enthusiast, and for a long time I wanted to become a freelancer and be independent. Recently, I started learning Google Ads from YouTube and many other sources, and I realized one thing: most of the people only show success, but not the real journey from zero to the end. So, in this channel, I will share my complete journey from absolute beginner to success. I'm not an expert or not any type of guru, just someone like you who is a beginner from learning step by step and will also do mistakes, but you can learn from me as well. So, here's what you can expect from my channel. I'll share my complete journey from absolute beginner to success, my wins and losses, the mistakes I will make. You can learn from there. Most of my video will be uncut, so you can see things clearly. Also, I will share like tech tips, updates, and very many useful digital marketing insights. So if you're someone who is just starting, we can grow together. And you can see my English is not that much good, but I'm trying to say. So if you're also like someone me who is just starting, you can also practice English by making YouTube channel or like vlogs and videos. It will be better. It will be better day by day. Actually, this is not only my journey, this is our journey. Okay guys, that's it for today. Subscribe to my channel, share, and don't forget to like the video. Bye.